Hey YouTube, wanted to make a quick video here about this T56 input shaft seal. It doesn't really go in detail on the manual, and I just busted a brand new one, and since it's broken, I figured I would test out some different things on this one and see what's best to seat it and install it with no issues. So what you can do is, to knock it out, take a flathead screwdriver and a hammer to punch it out, which I'll do here in a second. And once you have that punched out, get yourself a 1.5 inch socket. Then you're going to line up your new seal. But before you do, make sure it's clean inside here where it's going to go. And then I tried assembly lube first, and the one I'm using was kind of tacky. I didn't like that. So then I got some transmission, just ATF transmission fluid, and put just a small round around the outer perimeter there. Then what you're going to do is take your socket, line it up, and take your rubber mallet and tap it in until you hear it fully seated. Like that. So that is fully seated inside there, good to go.